inconsistently and wrong, papangit din yung design mo. As you can see here sa image, the left image has a good font pairing. Okay? While at the right side, you're having more than 2 fonts. You're having this heading, subheading, body text, body text, body text, body text, diba? They are good fonts, but if you're using that one, it will not have a good contrast. Unlike with the left image, na it's perfect. Okay? So you can like apply this with one of your designs. Now, there are things lang that we need to avoid when pairing a font. Okay? Don't pair fonts that looks too similar. What I've noticed then, they are saying na, yeah, I am having font pairs, but it's kind of the same lang. Yung font style, they only differ sa weights. So for people to know that you're using font pairs, you must have a different look and feel talaga. You can feel na your font is kinda redundant, baka misinterpret yung typography. And avoid combining too decorative or display fonts. Too much personality. You can use excessive fonts if that will going to align with the brand. We are basing this for the design standard.